PrimeTurning drive shaft GibbsCAM 2023. Let's have a look at our tools. Tool number 1. We are using our B-type PrimeTurning insert. Tool number 2. We're using our A-type PrimeTurning insert. And tool number 3. We're using also our A-type PrimeTurning insert, but with a smaller tip radius. Let's have a look at our operation number 1. This is our roughing operation. We select rough, forward, cut depth is 3 millimeters, lead-in radius 3 millimeters as well, lead out, feed and rate and length 4 millimeters, lead out rate 0.3, responsible for our slow down the feed rate on our right hand side. We set our feeds and speeds, material only, and we leave some stock. The next thing we do, we set our machining markers. Our start marker starts here in the left side of the part. Our end marker we're setting down here at the right side of the part. We're machining from the left to the right. And we say redo, recalculate it. Operation number 2 is our semi-finishing of our outside diameter. We set it to finish. In this case, we unchecked forward. We check all directions. Our entry and exits, our feed rates and our speeds. No more stock. This time we set our machining marker on the right side, our start marker on the right, our end marker on the left. And with all directions, we're going to machine the part in PrimeTurning as it is intended with Type A inserts. Let's look at operation number 3 and 4. We are machining that small section over here. Set our machining markers again from left to right. It's going to be a roughing, but with smaller depths of cut. Forward 2 millimeters depth of cut, lead-in radius, again feed rates and speeds. We leave a little bit of stock as well. And now with operation number 5, using tool number 3, we're going to do that little recess over here. Set machining markers again and do forward all directions, feeds and speeds, feed rate a little slower. And then operation number 6, we're doing that little area down here with also with tool number 3. We finish it forward all directions, feeds and speeds again, machining markers in this case from right to left. Let's have a look at our machine simulation. Here is our machine and our part. Let's give it a start. Here comes our roughing tool, machining from the middle of the part to the right side of the part, doing the PrimeTurning roughing, operation number 1. Now we come with our A-type insert and we do the finishing diameter using all directions. Doing the little section over here, operation number 4. Now we flip the tool around using smaller tool radius and finish those little recesses down there in the left and in the middle of the part. And this is our PrimeTurning the drive shaft in GibbsCAM 2023.